Hello everyone, this is Shishir and welcome to GATE Academy Global. So I came again with another opportunity for those students who has done or completed their BTech and wants to earn some money. And this is not a job opportunity, this is only a skill development program, well planned, well organized by IIM Bangalore and the Ministry of Skill Development, the Government of India. So what is this all program and how you are eligible for this program and what are your earnings after joining this program, skill development program? I am going to give you a brief about each and every points. Just listen this particular video carefully and at the end you are going to get the site address on the comment box of this particular video. So this is nothing but a Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program. What is this actually? The Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program, because many of the students heard this word first time I think, and because we are BTech students and we don't know anything about rather than the name of the company, this is the fellowship program. That's why I am just beginning with some detailing of this Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program. So this is the Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship is an opportunity for young dynamic individuals to contribute to enhancing skill development and promote economic development. So for promoting the economic development of this country, they are making some person skillful so that they can contribute to this particular country. So how they make the students or the fellowship skill, they have planned everything behind the screen and I am going to open one by one, just see and get the idea, then you only decide that whether you want to apply it or not. So this is a 2-year program, okay, this is a 2-year fellowship program, 6 to combine classroom sessions. So you have to attend classroom program, that means this is a full-time program that has to be combined with some course material, some skill development, everything is combined in this. So what are the things that you have to know about this one? MGNF 2021 to 23 will be rolled out nationally in more than 660 districts of across India. That means this particular program, you got the opportunity to serve 660 districts of India by acquiring knowledge or skill from these particular programs. That means all over this India, you are going to get your contribution, give your contribution for the development, economic development of the India. So the programs be hosted by 9 IIMs. That means you have the opportunity to watch how the IIM students are there and how they start their work, how they working there, how the IIM is there. Everything you are going to get the knowledge. So they have this particular program in association with IIMs. So they have selected 9 IIMs to hosted this particular program. What are those IIMs? Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Jammu, Kozhikode, Lucknow. That means whatever IIMs do you know, Nagpur, Ranchi, Udaipur and Visakhapatnam. So separately with the IIM Bangalore. IIM Bangalore is the hosted IIM that is hosting this particular skill development program in association with the Ministry of Skill Development of India. So what is there for you? The fellowship is a unique opportunity to promote skill development in district economics. So after completing your course from there, you can serve this India in different ways. I will tell you what are the ways by which you can serve, and you can get opportunity to get a job in different government and private sectors also. So after acquiring this skill, what are the skills they want to incubate in you after getting entered into this particular fellowship program. So the 2 years 2 years blended program combines classroom session at host IIMs with mentorship of fellows while in district. So everything is written here, and I want to give you the important thing that is written here. On joining the program, the candidate will receive a stipend of rupees 50,000 per month during year 1 of the program. On completing the requirements of year 1, the candidate will receive a stipend of rupees 60,000 per month during year 2 of the program. This is most important because nowadays students are searching that where they should go so that their skill will develop, because BTech has not given anything to them. So they want some skill development program, and in addition to that, they want to earn something. That means this is the very good opportunity, I can say, to get developed our own skill, and in addition to that, they are providing us money also. Every month they are giving 50,000 per month. So we have to learn there, that's it, and enhance our skill. So for enhancing our skill, they are providing the money. So this is a very good opportunity for BTech students. So I think that the students want to know that who can apply. So at least a graduate in any discipline, that is first one is engineering. Later one we are having law, medicine, social science are also there. But if you have done your engineering courses, then you can apply. And the age limit is age between 21 to 30 years. Citizen of India, that is mandatory here. So if you are in this particular age, then only you can apply. And I think the young dynamic word is sufficient to go behind this one, 21 to 30 years. So at least you are graduate engineer. So I have already made a thumbnail that a graduate engineers can apply. So what more is written here? 3 years of work experience after secondary schooling in social non-profit sectors, that is NGO, with an interest in working in rural areas is preferred. So this is the preference they are given, but this is not mandatory. So however, individuals with no work experience and a strong motivation to work in these areas may apply. So in India, most of the regions are rural areas, and I think that most of the students who is having BE, BTech, they are from rural areas only. So they can apply, And you must enjoy this particular skill development program. I think that's why I came up with this particular program in front of you. So you are going to get a certification from this particular certification of completion after completing this particular skill development program. And how to apply is also written here. The application window for 2021 to 23, the 2 years span of time. Admission is now open. Application window open till March 27, 2021. That means you can apply, you think twice and you just apply if you are motivated towards this particular skill development program, and you will get the opportunity to learn from IM fellowships. So for admission related assistance, you can email to this particular mail ID, and you can get each and every information about this one. The nominal requirement I have already mentioned here, and if you want more, then you can go to this particular site, that is imb.ac.in/mgnf. So you can get everything from there, or just you can Google for Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program and enter there, you can get each and every information. So this is only for those students who want to learn something new, want to get benefited by earning while learning, they can definitely apply. And if you are motivated towards social work, if you are motivated towards skill development, they can apply. And in this particular site only, they have mentioned that what are the opportunities. I have not taken that one because there are many opportunities after completing this course. But you can go inside this particular site and you can find also that what are the opportunities that you are going to get after finishing this particular work. You can be a consultant, you can get opportunities to get inside many government organization after completing this work. So if you entered once, then you can get the overall idea that how this work can help this society, how this work can give us the opportunity to enter into a government sector or a public sector job. Okay. So thank you for patience hearing. Subscribe the channel, and I will come up again with some more opportunities for our fresh students, those who are willing to work in different companies. Thank you.